To create user groups on the CHILI GraFx platform, go to User Management and head over to the Groups tab. Then, click Create Group on the right-hand side. Give it a name, enter a description, and select one or more environments. Users will be able to access GraFx Studio as end users by default. You can grant additional access by selecting Environment Admin. Click Create Group. Now, let's assign members to this group. Click Assign Members. Go to the Add Members tab and search for users. To add a user, click the add icon next to their name and click Done. To sum up, the Members tab will display the list of users assigned to this group. The Access tab will show what environments can be accessed, as well as the user roles assigned to each. For instance, since James is now part of the Chill Admins group, he will be able to access environment 187, both as an end user and an environment admin. Please note, the Actions button on the right-hand side will let you edit the name and description, copy the group ID, or delete the group.